We've arrived at the Nokia Research and Development Office here in Antwerp, and I am here with
Emmanuelle.
And Emmanuelle, can you tell us what your job is at Nokia?
I'm actually in charge of our enterprise customers at Nokia, so I'm on the sales side of the organization, and I'm also looking after external affairs.
Behind us we have the timeline of Nokia. Can you tell us more about the history of Nokia?
Yeah, absolutely. So Nokia is most of the time very well known for the mobile phones. So the mobile phone is actually history.
Yeah,
it's a great history, but it's history. We are a 150-year-old company, and we started with the paper mill. So you see here actually the first logo of Nokia. It was a fish, actually, because Nokia is coming from the name of the river, where the first factory of Nokia was actually coming from. Then we moved to, we reinvent ourselves continuously, and we actually became a cable and rubber factory. Before becoming a telecom company. So now we are a B2B, so business-to-business technology innovation leader. And we sell telecom infrastructure solutions to telecom operators, to enterprise and public organizations.
And the GÉANT network is strongly connected as one of those projects, is that correct?
Yes, absolutely. So this is one of the public organizations. We are actually providing our solutions, high-capacity solution too.
We see a lot of familiar names and logos on this timeline. How are they all connected?
Well, actually, our technology leadership is coming from the combination of a number of companies, and among which three major ones. So there is actually the American Lucent, you see over there with the Bell Labs, and actually so far 10 Nobel Prizes coming from Bell Labs, so that's quite impressive. Then we have the French Alcatel. This is where all our fixed broadband solutions are coming from, so that's DSL, fiber, IP routers, and optics. And then we have the last one, which is Nokia, Finnish Nokia, for the mobile technology, mobile solutions. So it's actually the combination of all those companies which are making who we are today as a company.
So they all combine to now in the present time?
Yeah, exactly, absolutely, yes.
You just showed us how everything is converging to the present day. What is happening at Nokia now in Antwerp?
Well, actually, at Nokia, we are an important R&D center for the group. We are the headquarters for fixed access solutions. So actually, fixed broadband solutions have been invented here. So we have been pioneering over the last 30 years in DSL, starting with ADSL, with VDSL. And now we also have our own chipsets for fiber solutions. And here you see a few examples of solutions we are selling today. Also over there you have a few samples, and this is one of the first ADSL modem we put on the market in the beginning of the year 2000.
Can you tell me more about the Nokia group?
So maybe to add also on top of what we are doing here, so we are not only doing fixed access, but of course very important and relevant to the GÉANT project is the fact that we are also an important major R&D center for our IP routers. So we are already at the 5th generation of our chipset for our IP solution. And this is really here very important, not only to bring new functionality on those solutions, but also increase the capacity to be able to cope with the growth of the internet traffic. And we have to do that in the most efficient and sustainable way. So that's the second thing. And then the third thing, which is very important for the site here in Antwerp, is the fact that we are a Bell Labs center, one of the few Bell Labs centers, actually, of Nokia, doing industrial research. So this is research 5 to 10 years from now that we will probably implement in our product as well.
And is it correct that your customers can also use these labs?
Yes, absolutely. So the labs you have seen downstairs, they are of course used also for not only testing purposes, they are for us internally, for the R&D team, but they are also used for customers who really want to see, indeed, in a small-scale network, what is actually happening in the network, what are the different features, and they can test it as well.
Yeah. So Nokia customers can collaborate with Nokia employees that are working here at the labs?
Yes, absolutely, indeed. And that's most of the time a very efficient way of exchanging on technical aspects, implementation aspects.
Are there any current projects that you find incredibly exciting, or any special projects that you're excited about?
Well, I think what is very exciting, and I will use it, is the GÉANT network. Why is it exciting? Because GÉANT will be implemented one of the highest capacity routers that we have now in our portfolio. And for us, it's very important also to we are quite proud that GÉANT is using our technology innovation for connecting education and research networks. So for us, overall, as Nokia, this is the kind of impact we want to have through our technology.
Can you tell me what you love most about your job?
I like very much, first of all, the learning every day something new, because we are inventing almost every day something new. So that's about the technology. I'm in engineering myself, so I'm very interested by that, passionate by that. But also I'm passionate on seeing how this is impacting also our customers, why they can use it for, and not only the telecom operators, but also enterprises, public organizations such as GÉANT, so that we see clearly what is the impact we have on society as a whole.
You said you also do engineering. Is that your background? Did you study engineering?
I studied engineering, but I never did any R&D activities, so I actually went directly to sales activities. So, but still, my technological backgrounds helped me a lot also to understand how it's all working together, and also to explain it to our customers. So,
What would you tell young students, for example, who would love to work at Nokia, or who should be working at Nokia?
Yeah, I think, Nokia is very cool. So we are doing a lot of cutting edge technology. So really, and we have a lot of different jobs that you can do at Nokia. So it's about hardware development, software development. It's about project management, or you can do sales, testing. So there is really a lot of things to do, and it's an ever-changing world. It's changing all the time. So you have also a lot of possibilities within the company. I think what is important is that, what we do really has an impact also on society. So we really want to make sure that the solutions we bring are also very sustainable solutions, energy efficient. So I think we can, I would invite them to come, of course, and visit us to see what we do, and enjoy the impact we have on society, yes.
I also heard you have fun events here tonight. We've got an event. Can you tell me more about this event happening tonight?
Yes, so we organize for our employees every quarter what we call a colorful cafe. So this is a way for all employees from all different departments to come together, to enjoy some drinks and food, but also to enjoy some music. So we have actually also some of our employees who are musicians, and they have the opportunity also to show what they do, so they can actually repeat throughout the year, so rehearse their performance, and now it's time to shine, right, at those moments.
Will you be performing tonight as well?
No, I'm not a musician, unfortunately, so, but I invite you to come on stage.
I would love to, I hope.
Probably someone with a guitar, if you play guitar too.
No, it would be an absolute honor for me to perform tonight, but I have my hopes up, but you never know.
Okay.
Going back to your role at Nokia, what would you say are the biggest challenges in what you do?
Well, the big challenges is to, of course, to cope with the pace of change. I think that we have currently, when you look at technology, it is compared to 10, 20 years ago, it's changing more and more often. So, of course, we have also much more competition. So we need also to make sure that what we invent here really is really cutting edge. So that's a very big challenge. So, and we need, of course, to be able to show the value of our solutions to our customers, which is not too much of a problem, because most of the time, indeed, there is a lot of impact for them, positive impact in what we do.
I find it so interesting for me how my sister used to have one of these Nokia phones. I was maybe a bit too young to use them, but there are so many things happening at Nokia, and I feel as if people don't know enough about everything that's happening here. Can you tell us more about the collaboration between Nokia and Nomios?
Yeah, sure. We do have a strategic go-to-market partnership between Nokia and Nomios that is already in place for several years. In terms of roles, Nokia is going to deliver the cutting-edge technology. Nomios is taking care for the design and also for the implementation of the solution in many different European countries, and also taking care for the support services.
Thank you so much for your time today, Emmanuelle. It's been so inspiring hearing about Nokia's journey, and I'll see you tonight at the party.
Yeah, of course. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure.